Hello everyone. I hope you guys would have all seen the previous two videos, one covering a game by the former world chess champion Vishy Anand and the other by Prague played in the Gelfand Memorial. The next course of action is for us to, cover an entire series or an entire chess tour by itself. So I'm just going to give you a quick intro about the next series that I'm going to cover majorly. So we are going to be looking at the Grand Chess Tour that is going to be played in the next 3 months, and this Grand Chess Tour comprises of five smaller tours, starting with the Superbet Chess Classic. Um, After that, we move to the Paris Grand Chess Tour, where a series of blitz and rapid games are played. Then after that, we move to Croatia for the rapid and blitz tournament to be held, followed by the St. Louis Rapid and Blitz tournament, and finally we conclude with the Singfield Cup. So the Superbet Chess Classic and the Singfield Cup are classical tournaments in terms of the time format, and the Paris, Croatia, and St. Louis are rapid and blitz tournament. I'll probably take you through the time formats, the participants in the subsequent in a short while. So the Superbet Chess Classic was actually played from June 3rd to June 15th of this year, and we had about 10 participants. And the time format of the game was it was a classical game where 90 minutes were allowed for the first 40 moves, followed by 30 minutes for the rest of the game, with 30 seconds time increments starting move one. The prize fund for the tour was $325,000, and this it was a wonderful tournament. I was not able to cover it earlier, but I will cover at least a few games from this particular tournament very soon. So, as you all know, Shakhriyar Mamadiyarov won the tournament. He stood first. And the second place was tied between Levon Aranyan and Wesley So, and also Alexander Grischuk. Followed by Timur Rajabov, Anish Giri, Borden Daniel Deck, Fabiano Caruana, Konstantin Lupescu, and Maxime Lagrave. After the Superbet Classic is over, the Paris Grand Chess Tour, where Rapid and Blitz games was played between June 16th to June 23rd of this particular year. And the participants were again Fabiano Caruana, Levon Aranyan, Wesley So. We even had Vladimir Kramnik joining the tournament, and it was real fun watching the entire tournament as such. I will definitely cover at least a few games from this Rapid and Blitz tournament as well. Wesley So won the tournament. He stood first, followed by Ian Nepomniachtchi. Then Maxime Lagrave, Alireza Firozia were tied for the third place, followed by Levon Aranyan, Richard Rapo, Fabiano Caruana, Peter Swidler, Kramnik, and Timur Rajabov. So after the Paris Blitz tournament is over, we then move on to the Croatia tour, which is going to be which is actually going to start on July 5th, and it's going to be held till July 12th. The prize fund for the tournament is $150,000, and we will have two former world chess champions who will also be participating in this tour. One is my favorite Vishy Anand, and the second is Gary Kasparov. It's going to be real fun watching these two clash against each other. It's going to bring back a lot of old memories. And the time format for the rapid tournament is 25 minutes for the game plus 10 seconds increments starting move one. And for the blitz games, it's going to be 5 minutes for the entire game with 2 seconds increments starting from move one. I will definitely be covering this Croatia Rapid and Blitz tournament in full. And after this tournament is over, we will move on to St. Louis Rapid and Blitz that's going to be held between August 9th and August 16th where the players will be battling it out for a prize fund of $150,000. It'll be the same Rapid and Blitz format with the same time controls. The final players for both the St. Louis Rapid and the Singfield Cup are yet to be announced. So as soon as I'm done, as soon as the announcement is there, I'll definitely add the list of players who will be participating in these two tournaments in my subsequent videos. And the Singfield Cup will be the last tournament. It's going to be held from 16th of August to 28th of August, for where the players will be battling it out for a prize fund of $325,000. So as I said, the Singfield Cup will also be a classical tournament with 90 minutes for the first 40 moves, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes for the rest of the game. So I'm pretty excited about the entire of covering the entire tour. I hope I'll do justice by covering most of the games where there's a decisive result. If there are some really nice games that have also been drawn, but features a lot of brilliant moves, brilliant attacking games, some sorcery, I'll definitely ensure that I'll cover that as well. Looking forward to see you guys soon in the detailed coverage. Thank you. Have a nice day.